Hello, everyone. Today we are discussing Golden Homecare's Super 10, Neolife's industrial strength cleaning product. Let's explore how this cleaner can make your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. So, what is Super 10? Super 10 is a cleaner which comes in two variants actually, one that's non-perfumed and another that is perfumed, that is actually designed to break down tough dirt, grease, and stains. While it's strong enough for industrial use, it's also safe for home cleaning. It works on a variety of surfaces, making your cleaning tasks faster and more effective. And how can we identify that Super 10 is unique? Super 10 works in three amazing steps. It soaks into the surfaces to loosen stains. It breaks down dirt and grease for easy removal and turns the mess into a solution that rinses or wipes away effortlessly. This process together gives you an excellent cleaning result. Now, how exactly does Super 10 work? So Super 10 works in various manners. However, we can talk about extra heavy duty cleaning for particularly tough jobs where you mix 125 mils of Super 10 with 375 mils of water in a 500 ml spray bottle. This makes a total of 8 bottles of solution from a concentrated 1 liter Super 10 bottle. The product boosts the water's cleaning power with the blend of wetting agents, organic solvents, and natural soap. And this allows it to reach even the smallest dirt trapping spaces. Now, this extra heavy duty formulation is ideal for cleaning stubborn stains, marks or scratches that appear on surfaces, which you can find on floors, walls, or furniture, wax buildup on floors, and tough grime in ovens, grills, car parts, tools, garage floors, driveways, and car engines. And then we've got a second way where you can mix Super 10 for heavy duty cleaning, where you mix 45 mils of Super 10 with 455 mils of water in a 500 ml spray bottle. In total, it makes 22 bottles of solution. Now, you use Super 10 to remove stains like non-permanent ink, so whiteboard markers, crayons, lipstick, and blood, along with tile grout and hard water deposits in your showers. It's also perfect for spot cleaning laundry items, so your collars, cuffs, dry cleanables, carpets, and upholstery. It's always advisable to check for color fastness, which means you should test a hidden area of that upholstery or fabric or material to make sure the color won't bleed or fade when cleaning. It can also clean things like brushes, combs, luggage, and a variety of materials like plastic, vinyl, aluminium, chrome, stainless steel, copper, silver, brass, leaving surfaces shiny with minimal effort. Now, why would one benefit or use Golden Homecare Super 10? Now, Super 10 is extremely tough on stains, but gentle on surfaces, which is rather attractive. You can confidently tackle stubble messes without worrying about damage, making your cleaning tasks faster and more effective. Instead of buying multiple cleaners for your household, this product can handle a variety of messes, saving you both money and storage space. And you can get results with fewer products, making it a smart choice, particularly for your home or business. Because it's concentrated, you need to use less product, which means it lasts longer. And this makes Super 10 a more cost-effective option in the long run. It leaves no sticky residue, so your surfaces stay clean and easy to maintain. Super 10 is non-flammable, biodegradable, and phosphate-free, making it safe for both your family and the planet. You can clean with confidence knowing you're using an eco-friendly product that's safe to use at home or in any environment. Now, what are some of the real-world applications for Super 10? Super 10 is known for cleaning things like car engines, interiors, and exteriors at the right dilutions. Keeping your vehicle in top condition without needing multiple products is very attractive. Whether it's your kitchen, your bathroom, or appliances, this product tackles grease, stains, and mildew with ease, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean and free of buildup. Safe on fabrics, it's tough on laundry as a pre-treatment or a spot cleaner. Super Clean also cleans outdoor surfaces like your driveways, your garage floors where you get oil spills, furniture where your toddlers or your young children could write on, effectively removing oil and grease stains in the process. Plus, it eliminates things like odors in areas where you might find these garbage cans or animal boxes, ensuring a fresher environment. So, in summary, we've got Golden's Homecare Super 10, which is a versatile cleaner that tackles tough messes with ease, making it perfect for both industrial and home use. Its unique formula breaks down dirt and grease, transforming them into a solution that rinses away effortlessly, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Now, it's important to mention that while Super 10 offers many benefits, it's extremely essential to use it as directed on the label to ensure safety and effectiveness. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy the full advantages of Super 10 while promoting responsible cleaning practices. And before I go, I would like to share with you our product cheat sheet for any technical terms that were used in this particular presentation that will be made available in the back office. Thank you for listening.